Hi guys, here 6 square is 30. 6 minus, here 6 minus 2 is 4 times, here 6 minus 2 is 4. Now this is 32 times this 4. 32 times of 4 is 128. This is the wrong answer as per the order of operation. Now we are going to introduce that order of operations PEMDAS rule. Here this is bracket, which is very higher priority. Next exponent, this is multiplication, division. Here this is addition, subtraction. Here this multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also here this addition subtractions also here equal priority. For this we have to do this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here the higher priority is this bracket. We have to do this before any other rule. Minus, this is 4 times this 4. Now we have, so this 6 square is 36 minus 4 times this 4. Now we have one subtraction, another multiplications, which is first action. See, this multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. We have to do this first before this subtraction. So 36 minus 16. Now we can do subtraction here. So this is 20 is the correct answer. So here is 20.